Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Manifold. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best AC recharge kit that you should buy. Let's get started. To start off with is the XtremepowerUS AC. This is a versatile kit with a simple yet powerful air vacuum pump. It's designed for efficient and quick AC system service, allowing you to save quite some money on mechanics. The process is rather simple and the kit proves to be of excellent quality. The pump is very convenient for removing excess moisture and preparing the system for a refrigerant refill. Thanks to the internal cooling fan, it works almost silently and you can use it for extended periods. Also, the pump has a rugged outer shell. Next up is the ORION MotorTech AC Gauge Set. DuPont may be one of the most recognizable names on this list, and its products frequently receive rave reviews. This incredibly affordable option comes with 3 12-ounce cans of Freon. The Freon 134A solution is also notable for meeting both the AHRI 700 and SAE J2776 purity standards. DuPont's AC Recharge Bundle is often hailed as the best Freon for car AC systems by mechanics. This is not just because of its low price point, but also because it still manages to receive great results. This solution is a pure refrigerant, meaning it doesn't have any additives. Third on the list is the Kozyvacu Auto AC Repair Kit. The Kozyvacu kit includes everything you need to test, repair and recharge your AC system. There's a pressure gauge set, 3 4-foot hoses, a quick coupler, and a can tape. You'll even get a carry bag for simple transportation and storage. Overall, the kit is very easy to use. All you need to do is follow the instructions. The package includes a high-quality vacuum pump designed for keeping your AC system in the best condition. It features a sturdy aluminium housing that can withstand some abuse and last for a while. Fourth up is the Robinair RG3 Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Those who are looking for a professional-grade machine will be thrilled with this one from Robinair. It's an efficient device that allows for quick and successful refrigerant recovery. You can use it on all kinds of systems for both home and commercial purposes. The machine is compact and lightweight, so you can take it with you if necessary. Buyers also love how versatile it is. It works with all standard CFC, HFC, and HFC refrigerants, which means you can use it for all kinds of AC systems around the house. To end with is the ORION MotorTech 3-way AC. The ORION MotorTech 3-way AC Diagnostic Manifold Gauge Set is a highly versatile and easy-to-use AC recharge kit. It will make the process of Freon charging any auto AC system easier and can be used for R134A, R12, R22, and R502 refrigerants. This set can be used to recharge your AC system or diagnose problems. Whether you're charging, running a diagnostic check, or trying to fix your AC, you'll have all the tools you need. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.